Hello everyone, I am Supriya Lohan. I am working as an assistant professor at All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune. I am going to talk about a problem which is asked in GATE examination and also related to entropy. So let us see this problem first. An analog signal is band limited to 4 kHz, sampled at Nyquist rate, and samples are quantized into 4 levels. The quantized levels are assumed to be independent and equally probable. If we transmit 2 quantized samples per second, the information rate is 4 options are given. So that means you have to calculate information rate. So as you know, information rate that is capital R is equal to small r into h of x. So what is small r? Small r is nothing but a number of symbols per second. What we called it as baud rate. H of x is, as you know, entropy of the source. So if you consider this example once again, where 2 quantized samples per second. So samples per second. This is nothing but the baud rate, that is the small r. So small r is equal to 2 symbols per second. Now h of x. If you go through this statement once again, you can find that probability of source symbols is not given. So for calculating h of x, you require probability of the source symbols. So how to calculate h of x then? So again consider the problem statement. So quantized levels are assumed to be independent and equally probable. So all symbols, all 4 levels, quantized levels are equiprobable. So when all symbols are equiprobable, in that case entropy is equal to log k base 2, where k is number of symbols or number of signal levels. In this case, number of quantized levels is equal to 4. So if you substitute the value of k over here, you directly get h of x. So by applying this logarithmic formula, what you get is h of x is equal to 2. Now, if you are not able to recall this value, when all symbols are equiprobable, what is the value of h of x? In that case also, you can use your use entropy formula to calculate h of x. So let us see that also. But if you are using this first solution, it will be very quick. The second one will take more time. So h of x, as we know, a summation that will start from k is equal to 1 to n pk into log 1 upon pk base 2. Now what we are having is 4 quantized levels. So summation k that will start from 1 to 4 pk into log 1 upon pk base 2. Now we are having 4 quantized levels or are equiprobable and independent. So the probability of each level will be 1 upon 4. So pk, in this case, pk is equal to 1 upon 4. And all 4 symbols are same, having same probability. So we are multiplying this product by 4. So 1 upon 4 into log 4 base 2. So again using same logarithmic formula, you can calculate the value of h of x. So it doesn't matter if you are not able to recall what is the value of h of x when all symbols are equiprobable. In that case also you can able to calculate h of x. Now finally we need to calculate information rate, which is nothing but small r into h of x. So small r is already given in the problem statement and h of x that we have calculated. Right? So 2 into 2, that will give you 4 bits per second. Thank you.